Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials so the dashboard works predictably. Open the app and sign in. Connect to the casino or simulator using the provided IP or TokenSo data streams live. Once connected, import or build a baseline game profile that matches wheel type, bet limits, and house rules. This ensures metrics are accurate. Make sure to enable notifications and basic permissions. Doing so prevents data gaps and speeds initial analysis when you begin tracking spins. Once done with connection, configure the tracking parameters so the dashboard shows meaningful signals. Turn on real-time spin capture and choose a sampling rate that balances performance and fidelity. Next, apply filters for the recent history window, bet categories, and hot versus cold thresholds so visualizations focus on what matters. Then arrange widgets, heat map, streak counter, probability overlays so you can compare trends at a glance. Make adjustments while observing a few spins to verify the displays match expected behavior. You now use the dashboard to guide betting decisions while controlling risk. Follow suggestion indicators and adjust stake size relative to your bankroll limits. This reduces exposure during variance. Monitor live metrics like ROI estimates, variance trends, streak alerts, and the session timer so you can exit or scale bets confidently. If visuals lag or counts freeze, refresh the connection, increase sampling briefly, or restart the session. That fixes most sync issues. Finally, log anomalies for later review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.